Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up a Meta Business Manager account. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to type in your browser Meta Business Manager. Then you need to find this one, create a business account in Meta Business Manager, click on it, and then press on this button right here, Start Now. Now you will be prompted on this page, okay? And what you should do is you go over here on the three lines, and then you go up on the top on your profile, click on this arrow and press on this button, Create a Business Portfolio. Okay, now you have to fill in all of the information, your business profile name, your first name and last name, and a business email. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this, and you'll press on this button, Create. Wait until it loads. And now if you have anything to claim, meaning you have a Facebook page that you created, then you will press on this, you tick it over here, and you press next. And I do have a video where I will have a video where I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page. So you create a Facebook page first, and then you tick this thing on to claim it. Press next, skip next, and confirm. That's it. You have your Meta Business Manager account set up. And now I would recommend you go to Business Settings, choose your newly created account, and over here in Business Info, I'll recommend you fill all those things, all those information out. The legal business name, address, business phone, website if you have a website. You don't really need to worry about this business verification status. You don't really need to verify it. Actually, in some cases, you cannot even verify it. This is what I would recommend you to do. Just fill in all of the information that shows Facebook, that shows Meta that it is a serious business. Okay, and then after you do all these things, go to Billing and Payments, Payment Methods, and then press on these three lines, all tools. Once again, go to Billing and Payments, and then you should press on this button right here, Add Payment Method. And here you should select your country or region, your currency, and your time zone. Press Next, and that's it. This is how you set up a Meta Business Manager account. Bear in mind that right here, your location and currency cannot be changed once set. So make sure you're choosing the right location and the right currency for you. And that's it. This is how you set up a Meta Business Manager account. The process is pretty straightforward. Now, if you liked this video and you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe to the channel.